Hey, what are you guys doing?
Nice.
Mashing the crab, imitation crab. Hey, cutie, can you tell us what we're doing today?
Yeah. I'm going to. I'm making onigiri using tuna rice. It's so delicious. If you get a chance to eat it, you must try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hunter, Hunter, sorry, oh my god. Hunter, what's your favorite onigiri?
My favorite onigiri is Korean bulgogi beef. It's sweet and salty, so it's really good, and it's perfect for lunch.
Oh my, Hunter, what did you do? Oh, no, don't put it in there. Don't put it in. Don't eat it. Yeah. Throw it away. Please throw it away. And then Sunu, do you remember introduce yourself and tell me how to make onigiri?
Hi, I'm Sunu. I'm gonna talk about how to make onigiri. First, microwave or instant rice. Second, add some spicy tuna in the center. Third, make it into a triangle. Fourth, cover it with seaweed, and eat it.
Yes. So we have our wrap right here.
Yeah.
And now add a little bit of mayonnaise to your crab. Okay, good. Maybe you can make it, yeah, that's good. And then put a little bit of the filling, the tuna filling. But don't put too much, because if you put too much, then it's gonna overfill. And put more than that, put more. And you can make a big onigiri, you can make a little onigiri. Maybe a little more. Maybe not bad. Yeah. And then put a little bit of rice on top. Yeah, like that. Okay. Yes. And then shape it into a triangle.
Oh.
You can do it. Yeah. Oh, very nice. Like that. Oh, okay, not bad. Okay. All right.
Oh.
Wait. Okay, good. This is Sunu's first time, okay? You're not bad.
This is my first to cook.
Yeah, first. Oh, sure. It is. Sunu doesn't cook. It's his first meal. His first snack. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, now let's put it on. Here. Yeah. Actually, you're gonna put it kind of on top. Yeah, great. And now later, when you it looks like this, right? So you're just gonna fold it into a triangle. So it looks like this. Oh, that's perfect. So cute and little. You can make it bigger. That's okay. All right. So now put it up here. Put a little bit up higher, because we're gonna fold it. Good. Yeah. We're gonna fold it like this. Oh my God, yours is so small. Well, you can make it bigger.
Okay.
Hunter. Okay, cute. Very nice. Oh God, I love mayo. I love this mayo. This mayo is so good. Here you go. Oh, nice. And then you're gonna mix it with your hand again, and put a little bit of one hand, Suna.
One hand. Oh.
It's okay. and then put a little bit of salt.
Now?
Yeah. Just put like a little sprinkle of salt.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. You can use your, that's good. Nice.